Welcome to the Advanced Manufacturing Technology lecture series. I am Dr. Gautam Pal, Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering of University of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. Today I am discussing the introduction part of manufacturing, advanced manufacturing technology, where this objective of this module is to know the limitation of conventional processes, to know the modern product requirements, and to know the advancement of material science and to know the utility of advanced machining processes in modern manufacturing fields. So why we need the conventional, what is the limitation of conventional processes? So if I discuss this, then we can see the our conventional machining method like conventional lathe is converted into retrofitted to the CNC lathe, and modern CNC lathe are very capable of CNC lathe or CNC milling are capable of producing accurate job, that is the increasing the productivity with precise application. That means that it can produce repeatedly the same accuracy with the same under the same environment and under the same level setting. It can produce the same accurate product with repetitiveness. Now also the human intervention in this case also reduced to some extent, and the lead time is reduced, and at the same time if you the program can be rewritable, so if you do any mistake you can reduce this by simulation, and then you can do the actual machining operation, which was not possible in the case of conventional lathe or conventional milling machine. So also after simulation this actual programming can be generated, and this program can be fed to the machine, and as per this CNC lathe on the right hand side can produce the job on the left hand side. This is the normal conventional lathe, where we also there is a limitation of the spindle speed, where we can get the spindle speed because there is a this gear pulley drive is replaced with a servo motor control. So this type of feed drive and also the spindle speed can give rise to the accurate product. And also tool changing, there is a difference between tool changer. Previously manual tool changing was done, but nowadays the tool, there is a tool turret is there, tool magazine is there. So in this case if you it reduce the time, it reduce the lead time, but what is the disadvantage is that you can see that this can increase the unemployment, but at the same time high initial investment cost, and also the skilled labor is needed to do the program. But if you consider the accuracy and product quality, the rejection of product, then rejection of material, rejection of product, and reducing the material waste, then it suddenly increase the productivity. And also suppose in this case this is done in a software that this chip removal process is shown in a by analysis that how much forces are generated, how much forces are generated in the cutting, forces are generated at the same time temperature are generated when you do the machining of titanium metal which is required for the turbine blade. Then you can see the temperature is almost 1080 degrees centigrade has been generated for this small step up to 500, and also the forces are generated is in to the power 10 to the power 3 terms and Newton in Newton. Okay, so in this case if you use the carbide tool you can see the chip reduction, chip produced, and this can also be generated before you machine. You can check whether the your machine is capable or not. With such an analysis, you can do the assumption that whether your machine can produce the job or not. Then you can go for actual machining. Here, apart from the direct contact type machining, there is some product requirement. Modern products are becoming complex and complex in shape. You can see a modern gas turbine consists of an air compressor, a combustor, a power turbine. Okay, but here several typical complex products are there. To manufacture this, you need some accuracy. And also on the right hand side, there is a sculptured metal products are there. These sculptured metal products are manufactured in the CNC lathe or CNC milling. So this type of product you cannot manufacture with the conventional system, conventional machining system or conventional lathe or milling system. So that is why you have to do the machining with an ease. For that we need some advanced manufacturing technology. Thank you.